When we submit the article or manuscripts in a journal, sometimes we get some comments on color palette. So we can add color palette as well. There are several types of color palette. So we will use common color palette plus scale, please scale fill braille will give the name of color palette. Sorry, palette. In general, there are three types of palette like set 1. If we type set 1, this is one color palette. If we type set 2, yeah, this is the second color palette. If we type C 3, yeah. So using this procedure, we can use color palette. So if we search in the Google, then we'll get there are several types of color palette. So I would request please practice.